Welcome to this meditation for connecting with nature. Many people believe that you can only connect with nature by spending extended amounts of time in nature. But nature lives inside you at all times. So please close your eyes and draw in a deep and long breath. And begin to imagine somewhere in nature that you like to go. Perhaps the beach, or the mountains, or a wooded forest. It could even be your own backyard. Breathe in deeply, inhaling the fresh oxygen around you. And now, begin to notice the trees and plants around. How tall are the trees? Are they swaying in the wind in your imagination? It is easy to connect with nature. All you have to do is turn your attention towards it. Imagine now you can feel your feet in the soft grass. Allow yourself to be grounded to Mother Earth. Realize that you are nature. You are not separate from it. You are a part of it all. Breathe in deeply. Your body is made up of all of the same elements, minerals and energy that make up the world around you. Even the percentage of water on the planet reflects the same percentage of water.